guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to replace this Casio G-Shock. The battery replacement, as you can see, is completely dead at this point. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this G-Shock battery. So here's are the tools that we need for this G-Shock battery replacement. It does apply for every G-Shock, but it will depends. So what I'm preparing is the DW-9052. So here are the tools that we need. We have a Philips bit 1.5 and a coin cell battery which can fit onto this watch, but I look at the manual that all the specifications, but it recommends to use 2016 CR 2016, but I'm going to try the CR 2025, but it's according to the size is quite much more thinner. But I use this coin cell battery on the Acer Travelmate 4720 where I replaced the CMOS battery on it previously. So without further ado, let's start the process. Firstly, I removed the 4 screws securing the rubber piece of the watch, followed by the 4 screws holding the metal back plate in place. Once I have done unscrewing the 4 tidy screws for both the rubber piece and the metal back plate, I could easily take off the metal back plate and remove the plastic piece underneath. With that out of the way, I carefully removed the main digital watch brain from the housing itself. Next up, I peel off the sticker from the metal battery bracket and attempt to unlatch the bracket that holds the battery. I ran into some trouble, which is getting the battery out was harder than expected. Even using tweezers didn't help. In fact, it bent the tip of one of my tweezers. And to top it off, I broke the plastic holder for the battery bracket, which is a minor issue. Eventually, I managed to unlatch the metal bracket from the battery contacts and finally got the dead battery out. Replacing it was straightforward, but I realized the original battery was the thinner CR 2016 model, and the one that I bought, which is the CR 2025, was a bit thicker. The main advantage of the new battery, it will last longer, probably up to a year. The downside is the thickness of the coin cell battery itself will make it a bit tricky to fit and seal everything back together. After unboxing the new thicker coin cell battery, reassembly followed the same steps as disassembly. A quick final wipe down with a paper towel and some isopropyl alcohol, and we are done. And that's it. After some effort, I successfully replaced the battery on this Casio G-Shock watch and it's ready to go for a few more years to come. I hope you guys enjoyed this half video, half commentary stuff. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Do check out my new gaming channel at the top right hand corner. That's it for this video and I catch you guys next time.